How to archive and unarchive chats in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the tutorial, you need to update WhatsApp to the latest version. To update WhatsApp, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon and type WhatsApp. Now click on search. Now tap on WhatsApp and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on the update button. Now after updating, go back to the home screen and open up WhatsApp on a device. Now to archive the chat, simply keep holding the chat and tap on this icon. Now to unarchive it, simply tap on archived. Again select the chat. Now tap on this icon and, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.